2. We from the group of 5, we want to perform a short drama entitled The Lost Presentation. My name is Muhammad Nurisan.
My name is Faiza.
My name is Iyadwi Rahmadani.
My name is Muhammad Azwar.
My name is Rafi Al-Fikri.
My name is Muhammad Deni Wahyu Saputra.
My name is Sami Al-Habi.
Enjoy for watching, guys. Check it out. Hello everyone.
Tom, you look very worried today.
Yes, Anna. I'm very worried. Today we have a big presentation.
That presentation is very important.
Yes, and I lost my presentation paper.
Oh no, that is not good.
I worked it in all night.
Oh no, I have the big breeze.
I'm trying, but I'm scared.
When did you last deliver?
Last night in my room.
Did you bring it to school?
Yes, I put it in my bag.
Are you sure?
I think so, but now it is not there.
Maybe it will out of your bag.
Or maybe you left it in class yesterday. Let's think together.
Please help me, my friend.
Let's take your bag again.
Okay.
I see a book and a pencil and bottle.
Not very clear.
I feel very sad now.
Don't give up yet.
We will find it. Where shall we go first? Let's go to the classroom.
This is my seat.
I will check in the channel.
I will check near the whiteboard.
I will at the teacher desk.
I will check the window area.
A few moments later.
I don't see anything here.
Nothing near the board.
Not on the teacher desk.
Oh no, what shall I do?
Did it all?
We'll still have time.
Wait a moment.
What is it, Ahmed?
I see some paper under the table.
Please take them.
Let's unlock yours.
Oh, okay.
Let's check another class.
Just in the morning street, this colorful with top.
I said it here yesterday afternoon.
Then maybe the paper is here.
I will check this cell. I will check that cell.
I will ask the librarian. Excuse me, did you see a presentation paper? Thank you.
What did she say?
She did not say it.
I feel very nervous now.
It's okay, Tom.
Friends have friends.
Yes, we will not leave you alone.
Where else did you go yesterday?
I went to the schoolyard.
Let's check there.
Let's go.
The light is strong today.
Might be the teacher crying light.
I hope not.
Look near the beach.
I see something under the tree. Huh? Really? Yes, there it is. Huh? That is my paper.
Clear! We found it!
Thank you so much.
No, you can present well.
I am so happy.
This is the power of time clock.
Yeah, to bring it.
Let's go back to class. The presentation will start short.
I will never forget this day.
Good luck, Tom.
you.